YouTube, welcome back. Uh, Today we have a new problem. We have an easy problem, and let me just make sure that I am putting the full window in the share screen. Yeah. Okay. So today we have this problem. It's an easy problem. It's called +1. So you are given a large integer represented as an integer array called digits, where each digit of I is the ith digits of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in left to right order. The large integer does not contain any leading zeros. Okay. Increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of digits. So we have this array and we increment by 1, so we add the 1 to the last and here and here. However, when we have a 9, we just add 2 elements because 9 plus 1 is 10. So the only exceptional or the only way we try to think about specific case is when we have 9. So how we can solve this one? Let's just try to take this as an example, and after that let's go to mirror. And yeah, this is from the system design video, do not worry about it. And let's just make this white, please. Okay, and I could just make it bigger also. Yeah, this will work. Okay, let's just try to take a pen and just try to write. So the thing that we'll do, we'll try first to loop from the end of the element. Okay, from the end. And if this end it is if this end is not 9, that means we can just add 1 to it, so it will be, we'll add 1 to it, so it will be 4, and we return, and that's it. However, when we find that the end is 9, let's say assume that we have 9 here and not 3. So what we will do, we'll make this 9 0, and we will make this 2, we add to this 2, and we just continue looping to the next one, which will be 2 in here, and we see 2 is not 9, so we add 1 to 2, so it will be instead of being 29, it will be 30, because 3 here and 0 in the 9. And this is the way that we will try to solve. Wait a minute, let me try to make my pen even more. So this is the way that we would try to do it. So basically we have this one and we have this one, and when we find this doesn't equal to 9, we add 1 to it. If you find it equals to 9, we will just add 0, and we continue to add the 1 to the next elements. However, we could reach a specific problem that when we have all them are just 9s. Let's say that we have the 3 elements in the array, all of them are 9. So what we should do in this one, we should basically first fill the full array with zeros, because 0 0 and 0, and add 1 and add a new element in the beginning. It will be 1, and that's it. So it will be 1000. So this is the way that we try to solve this problem. And I will try to type like that, like that, instead of typing in this way, because this way it's not the best way to type. So let's try to fix it. Let's try to fix this problem. Okay, where we are. Yeah, we should go back to the code. Yep, let's see. So first I would love to have a const in, which will equals digits dot length, because we need this in. Okay, and I'll create a for loop, which will be and this for loop will be let me just take the board out of the way, because the board doesn't make me comfortable. Okay, so we have for loop, and this for loop we'll just create let I equals, we start from the end, so n minus 1, and I will say I is bigger than or equals 0, and I minus minus, because we're starting from the end and we're going towards the beginning, so we need to take one from I. So I'll say if digits of I equals 9, that means I will make this digits of I equals to 0. Digits of I equals to 0. And if that wasn't the case, so else, I will make the digits of I plus plus. I'll make digits of I plus plus. I will add 1 to it. And I will return digits, and I'm done basically here. Okay, so let me just make sure that to make this quite more beautiful. Okay. So let's see right now. Okay, everything works right now, but we talked before on specific condition when all the array is full of 0 or full of 9s. So what we should do here? So basically, we should just let's go out of the array here. The full array was full of 9, so we didn't return anything. So I'll just assume if we are in this here in this type of code in this area right now, that means all the array was full of 9s. So what we will do? So I'll say digits will equals new array, which will be from m plus 1, because we add a new element and we fill everything with 0. And I will make the digits of the first element will be equal to 1, and I will return digits. And I guess that's it. Let me submit the code and see. It did work, and I'm beating only 35%. Let's see why. Let's see this one. It did it in the same way, to be honest. It did it in the same way, but I don't know why his was better than me. Because maybe using the modular. Yeah, I don't know, but just the same way. Anyway, that's it for today's video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and see you guys in future problems.